Hi everybody and welcome to my first ever interior walk along. My name is Tanya Sheikh and I'm a Lahore-based interior designer, and this is my first ever interior walk along. These videos are a way for me to share my thought process, my design experience and my work with you. So let's begin. So here we are. Let's start off with our site analysis. The room had been painted in a bright orange. The color, as you can see, had been made the focal point of the bedroom, apart from this one white painted wall that had artwork done in a similar color. The same bright colors had been used in the window treatments, and along with the dark wooden furniture, it was giving a very oppressive look, making the whole interior seem very dull, small, and congested. However, no worries, that's our job. So, onto the interior transformation. Deciding on a paint color is always a challenge, as it sets the tone for the design and concept. However, in this project's circumstances, it was apparent that light shades were needed to brighten up and lift the interior from what it used to be before. We decided on white for all four walls and our ceiling. Grey was a must that will be used in our color palette, a light natural wooden shade to complement the dark wooden polish of the doors and furniture. Sticking with the neutrals, throwing a feature wall into the mix was a must. So here's our final look for the window treatments. The pelmet is done in the same dark polish as our furniture. However, underneath the brown we have these gorgeous grey 3-pleated curtains. The pleats add a voluminous look, and along with the suede material, as you can see, the curtain falls and settles onto the floor in this really nice drape. The heavy and drapey look gives a very cozy and homey feel, which I personally think is very important for a bedroom interior. Okay, so bedroom chairs with this lovely floral print, trendy and modern fur for our bench. We have gone for this warm custard shade. This shade will be adding contrast as it is going to be placed in front of our bed, which will be on our grey feature wall. Up next is our subtle grey self print, which is going to be on our traditional Pakistani divan sofa. A mix of both modern and traditional furniture pieces is what we're going to work with. Okay, so I'm going to insert a little surprise for you all. We decided to add a little twist to our subtle and neutral bedroom design. The color palette was giving the room the spacious look that we needed. However, we needed to add a fun element. So I decided that the side tables were going to be painted in this lovely antique mint color. And in order to connect this fun color with our bed set, we decided that the top was going to be in the same ebony color as the rest of the furniture. This brings our interior walk along to a close. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do leave your comments below. What do you think? Did the neutral colors add space to our bedroom? Was the quirky fur bench complementing the wall behind it? Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more interior related content. Till the next video, goodbye.